This is how to add another account on Snapchat. You will open up your Snapchat on your mobile phone, and then you just have to open up your profile. So in your profile, go to your settings and log out. So you need to make sure that you know your login info and that it is saved. So you click on log out. So I'll just log out of my Snapchat all right here, so you can see that this is my one account. Click on switch account, and now what I can do is I can add another email address, like a brand new username, and enter a password, or I can sign up for a brand new account too. So you just enter your login information here, or if you do not have an account, just click on sign up, create a brand new account here, and then you will be able to just switch between accounts like we do on Instagram. And we will have more than one account on Snapchat as well. So it's really easy to do it. Just log out and then you get the switch account option right here. Save the login info, and you will be able to just swipe and check all of the accounts that you have and click on it to log in again. And that is how you add another account on Snapchat.